Content creation does not have to be hard. Whether you're trying to grow your small business, or you want to be a UGC creator or an influencer, or you're just trying to grow a following, I know the content creation process can be a hassle for some people, especially since all of our lives are so different and we have so many different responsibilities in our daily life. The key to growing your social media accounts or your content creation skills is to stay consistent. But how can you do that without overworking yourself? My biggest advice is to batch content. Now, batching content doesn't have to be hard. There are plenty of easier ways that save you a lot of time and money that will help you batch content and stay consistent so that you can grow. My current favorite tool that I'll be talking about today and actually showing you how to use it so that you can apply it to your own content creation skills is Kittl. As a small business owner and a content creator, Kittl actually has so many tools that are very helpful. You can create designs for print-on-demand products if you're thinking of starting a small business there. You can create sticker designs, you can create mock-ups for your business, and you can create social media posts or YouTube thumbnails. There are so many different kinds of designs that you can create within Kittl, and in my opinion, it's really fun to use and play around with. Today I'll be showing you 3 different kinds of content that you could create for your channel or your profile, all within Kittl. And if you haven't tried Kittl yet, you're going to want to try it out today so that you can upgrade your content, save time and money, and work towards making your dreams come true and reaching your goals without feeling overwhelmed. All you have to do is click the link in the description to sign up for Kittl today and try it out. You can also use my code JoyLynYT to save 25% off of your first monthly or yearly subscription. You can honestly create 30 days worth of content in under 30 minutes in Kittl. That's how great it is. The first thing that you can create within Kittl are high quality 3D text posts. I've noticed a trend within social media lately, which is the carousel posts, and I've noticed more so motivational quotes and carousel posts trending a lot. And not only that, a lot of people use AI to create these motivational posts to make them aesthetically pleasing, and you can do that within Kittl. Kittl has a feature called Kittl Flows, and Kittl Flows uses AI to enhance your artboard. All you have to do is put your design on the artboard, connect it to a smartboard, put your prompt in, and you're done. And if you're a beginner and that sounds intimidating to you, don't worry, they have a bunch of templates for you to choose from. All you have to do is open it, change the artboard around, click on any of these smartboards that look like the design you want, and then just edit the prompt. The prompt should already be in there and set for you to use. We're going to turn this into this in under 5 minutes. And yes, I mean 5 minutes. And I'm not exaggerating.
Once you are on Kittl.com and you have your account, if you haven't made one yet, you want to go to Kittl Flows and click on the 3D text effect template. This is awesome because it already has pre-made smartboards. All you have to do is edit your artboard and pick a smartboard you like. This is optional, but if you want to change anything within a smartboard, you just have to edit the prompt on the right hand side, which is what I did. I wanted it to be more pink and purple, so I changed that in and made sure I was clear with that. Click generate, and that is all you have to do. You just have to wait for your image to finish processing, and this is how mine came out. I think it's really cute and really realistic, and I did that for 2 other different kinds of smartboards that I thought were cute. I made sure to zoom into the prompt box for almost all of the prompts that I put in today, so if you want to recreate anything the exact same way I had mine, then you can just copy that. One of my favorite features of Kittl Flows is you can have multiple smartboards. You don't have to wait for one to be done to do another one. You can generate multiple at once. Feel free to tweak the prompt until you get the style that you like. This one is my personal favorite. I love the fluffy look and the pastel colors. Feel like you got the hang of it and you're a bit more comfortable, you can start from scratch. I opened a brand new artboard with nothing on it. It's blank. You can use this to create your carousel posts if you're trying to give small business tips or content creation tips or even motivational quotes. You can put whatever you want on here and then generate different kinds of aesthetics for it. Like I said previously, these AI generated aesthetically pleasing carousel posts are very trendy right now, and a lot of people save them and share them, which is what you really want. You want your engagement to be high so that your profile is shown to a wider audience. And this feature is perfect for any and all niches. You can create a carousel post of anything really. If you're a beauty brand, you can create a carousel post of some of your favorite beauty tips or makeup tips. For my prompts, I tried to be as detailed as possible so that what I had in my mind actually came true and was more accurate. I know it's not going to be 100% accurate, but you can always change it around. Like I said, this was a little too blue for me, so I made sure I was very clear when I said pink and purple. You can also connect a smartboard to your smartboard, which is what I am showing you right now. This could be the second slide of the carousel post, which I think is amazing.
The second piece of content that you can create within Kittl and Kittl Flows are product mock-ups. This is very important for anybody who has a small business. You are going to want mock-ups for any kind of business that you have. Even if you're selling digital products, you're going to want mock-ups for your digital products. This one honestly amazed me. I turned this artboard into this. And if you want to see how I do it, then keep on watching, because you can try this out for yourself with anything that you create within your artboard.
We are starting with a brand new blank canvas. I should also say that Kittl has set sizing for you, so if you want it to be a design for Instagram or YouTube or a t-shirt design, they do have those sizes set and you don't have to worry about that. I searched up makeup and got a plain little silhouette of a lipstick, and then I went to the text box area and chose the one that I thought was more elegant. I edited the text, I placed it in the center of the lipstick, and then I added a smartboard to this artboard. To do so, all you have to do is click the name of the canvas at the upper left hand side, and then the little tab should open up and say smartboard. You click that and then enter your prompt on the right hand side. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, click generate, and boom, you have a high quality realistic mockup. We are going to do the same thing that we did with the last project, which is connect a smartboard to this smartboard. I did that several times, so I had multiple smartboards connected to this one smartboard because I wanted different shades of the lipstick. And no, it doesn't only have to be for beauty products, you can do it for any other product that you have. Just have fun with it, test out different prompts, see what works best for you.
Last but not least, you can create thumbnails with Kittl. And if you feel like you're struggling with putting things together, whether it be the placement of text or the placement of your image, don't worry about that. They also have templates for that. This is perfect for if you're trying to start up a YouTube channel as well, because thumbnails are very important for your videos. You want to create thumbnails that stick out to potential viewers, that spark curiosity, and it looks clean and cohesive with your channel. The best part about this is Kittl takes that stress off of your plate. They have different templates for you to choose from, so that is one less thing to worry about and another step closer to your goal.
You'd want to type in thumbnails in the search bar of Kittl, and there's a bunch to choose from. I wanted to choose something a bit more on the neutral side, and I found this one that I really love. I love the browns and I love how aesthetic it looks. It kind of gives cozy day in my life. Each of these is 100% editable. You can edit the pictures, you can edit the colors, the fonts, the placement, all of that, but it's great for anybody who needs help with placement and designing.
That is all I have for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed all of the tutorials. You have 3 different full tutorials and 1 video. Congratulations, you hit the jackpot. Feel free to tag me in your posts of creations you made using Kittl. I'd love to see them. I personally have so much fun using it, and it's also very helpful. Again, if you'd like to try Kittl out today and try out any of the designs that we created together today, feel free to click the link in the description and use my code JoyLynYT to save 25% off your first yearly or monthly subscription. Also, don't forget to save this video so that you can try all of these designs out later. Hit that like button if I helped you today. Let me know what other kinds of tutorials and videos you'd like to see in the comments below. And last but not least, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that I can help you grow your channel or grow your small business and we can create beautiful things together. Until then, I'll see you in my next video, and I cannot wait to see what you create.